everyone, ignore my hair and the mark on my face. I am re-dyeing my hair, and I figured while I'm waiting, might as well do an unboxing. I have two things that I want to unbox. They're both fragrance based, and one is from Sephora and one is from Ulta. So this is a nice, cute little Sephora package. I love how small it is because now I just don't have this random big box, and everything that I got were rollerballs. Or this, whoops, from Ulta is this huge box with just 5 perfumes, and I don't think any of them are, except one, to be full size. So let's open this one up. I haven't opened any of these yet, which I need to get better at doing because, yeah. I just wish that the box came in something smaller because this is kind of like I don't need a box this big for all the perfumes. And once I take everything out, here are everything that I've gotten from Ulta. And I have been trying to focus more on oil-based perfumes when I am shopping for perfumes. So the first ones I am going to open up are the Nemat brands. So apparently this can also act as a diffuser if you just put your like perfume in here. Like you spray the perfume a little bit, it's a nice little diffuser, which is also good because if it smells great, it'll be awesome. And so this one isn't oil based, I believe, but look at this beautiful bottle. I'm just gonna spray it in here. Okay, right now it just smells like wood. I can't really smell anything right now because everything just smells like wood. But it's totally fine. I don't want to put anything on me because I want to make sure that none of the smells mix. The next Nemat one is the amber fragrance oil, and that was the amber perfume. So maybe I could be able to smell this scent much better. And from what I understand, this is like one of those that you like dab on your finger a little bit. Why am I not smelling anything? Or maybe it's because there's just too many things going on in my house too. Okay, it's a light scent. Hopefully I'm not disappointed. This next one is Vanilla Musk by Nemat. This one I was a little bit hesitant on because vanilla is not my favorite smell. Oh my goodness. These are so hard to open and I don't have anyone to open one. Well, maybe I just won't be able to try this one just yet because I'm not going to hurt myself trying to open it. Alright, this one is a new one. It's called Purette. And slide it down. Okay. So it comes with its own wooden box, which is super cute. And comes with a cork base. Oh yeah. So this is nice. It has a roller ball. Ooh, that one is strong. That one I can definitely smell. It's more like a mature smell. Not like granny mature, but definitely I'm an older woman. I'm not in my 20s anymore. Love that. And the last one is this thing says define me. And I think I got it because it has like really interesting smells like clove buds and cocoa rosas and cassis, orange blossom and petitgrain. Like, what kind of smell is that? So here it is. I believe this one is not. Oh yeah, oh, that smells delicious. Um, ooh, this is more of like a daytime perfume. But I absolutely like the smell of that. All right, last ones are from Sephora. I like how it's nice and compact. And I don't live in the biggest place, so it's just kind of like annoying to have a bunch of big stuff, but it's okay. At least all my stuff arrived, right? And nothing got stolen. Alright. Interesting box. It's like a nice little fold out. And I did not get the samples I wanted, but that's fine. I wanted perfume samples, but this one is, it looks like they're both skincare samples. Alright, and let's unwrap this. And these are all from the same brand. Believe it's called by Rosie. Yes, by Rosie Jane. It looks like some of the oil may be leaking already. Let's get this one. This one is called Leela Lou. Ooh. Oh my god. And these tend to be more floral perfumes. And it's one of the reasons why I like them. I like floral scents, but not like the candy sweet floral. More like the fresh, I'm in a garden floral. I think I opened out the wrong one. This one is called Maddie. They all have a very simple packaging. Where they all look like this, and they're all roller tops. And these are all oil based. Ooh. Oil perfumes just tend to last longer too. And they tend to also be cleaner. I just can't tell what the scent based is. They'll be online. And this one is called James. That one was called Maddie. This one is called James. There it is. And then this is the sweeter one. But they all smell amazing, and it's something that I feel like I could wear to work. All of the ones that I just got, and it not be overbearing, and that's kind of important in my profession. Anyways, that's all for you guys.